How to tell if your iPhone is being tracked. Today we're going to go through 3 signs that you can look for. But stick around to the end because I've added a bonus, and I've added this because it's the most common way that people are tracked. So grab your phone, let's get started. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see an orange dot. That lets you know that your microphone is on. It's built-in security from Apple. And to the left of that, you'll see the red dot, and that lets you know that your camera is on. And right now I'm doing a screen recording so you can tell that my camera and microphone are on. And if you're not doing any recording, that's a red flag. So what should you do? Swipe from the top right to the bottom left, and then right here up top, click, and you'll see that the system currently is using my microphone and camera. And if there's a different app or some other program, it's going to let you know right there. Hey, if you like this video so far, hit that thumbs up, but let's jump into number 2. If your battery is dying really fast, that's a sign that there's either software or an app running in the background that you may not be aware of. So next, we're going to take a look at how to find that out. So grab your phone. Click on Settings. From here, scroll down until you see Battery. And from here, I want you to look, and where it says the last 10 days, click there. And that shows your battery usage and your activity. Now scroll down and look at the apps that are using battery. If there's an app in there that you don't recognize or one that you're not using and it's really draining your battery, that's a red flag, and you're going to want to delete that app if it's one you don't use. Probably the easiest but the most often overlooked, and that's to go through the apps that are on your phone and make sure you recognize each of those apps. So grab your phone and I'll show you where you can find that. Click on Settings. From here, scroll all the way down until you get to past the standard apps, and then you'll start to see the apps that you have added. And if you click on one of those apps, you can look whether you're allowing your location or your camera or your microphone. And I set my more common apps up to only use while using, and you can decide that right here. Or all of them that I rarely use, I put on never. And that's an individual choice, but I will tell you, if you put your maps or any of the apps that require a location to work properly, of course they won't work if you have that turned off. The most common way that people are tracked outside of their phone is through one of these. That's right, it's called an AirTag. And I did some research, and some of the newer phones can actually let you know that you're near an AirTag, which is a great warning if you don't have one. But if you have an older phone, you can also go to Amazon, and there's some software that you can purchase that will help you figure out if there's an AirTag attached to anything you're carrying or attached to your car, which is unfortunately the most common. But hey, if you want to find out more iPhone tricks, take a look at one of these 2 videos here. And as always, thanks for watching.